My safety goggles are on because you can never be too careful. Hi everybody, I'm Dave J from New York City. This is The Sound of Monday on Dave J Tuesday, on Tuesday, May 17th, 2022. Let me know how you're doing in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow my band, The Sound of Monday, right there at facebook.com/The Sound of Monday, one word. And Spotify and Apple Music, check it out. A lot of tunes over there. Original stuff. Jablamo pop rock, because come up with your own word. You've got your own genre. Word of the day.
Word of the day.
And on that note, I really must be going, so take good care. Don't forget to validate my parking. And I'll see you soon.